Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Triaswan. Welcome again in the second part of the video and congratulations that you are eager to learn modeling and 3D design. That's why you are watching the second part of the series of 3D realistic Dex Studio PC modeling. So if you have not watched my first part of the video where I have explained you that how you can create the Mac monitor, so first watch that video where I have explained it. I have provided the link in the description. So without any further ado, let's start the second part of the video, where in this part I will create some 3D modeling like the Mac desktop or say cabinet, and I will create a realistic pencil, and the main and important design will be the Apple logo design for the Mac. So friends, watch the video till the end so that you will get good knowledge that how you can create photorealism. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So let's first create a design of Apple logo. I will explain in the simplest way that how you can also create design of any logo in 3D and in Blender. So first you have to take a image of the logo. You can download the image from Google. Once you have downloaded the image, just import the image as a reference in the video. If you don't know that how to create a reference in Blender, then it is the simplest process. Don't worry, I will explain you the process. Basically what you have to do is, the first step is to go to top view in Blender. You can press the X on gizmo on the top right corner of the screen, you can see, and once you are in the top view, then just drag the downloaded image in the Blender top view, and tada, you have successfully assigned the reference image in Blender. Now once you have assigned the reference image of Apple logo, then the second step is to create a plane. You can press Shift A and then click on the plane and create the plane. Then scale according to the logo size, and once you have completed this step, then just click on the plane and go to edit option by pressing tab on keyboard, and then you can use cut tool. The shortcut is K on keyboard. Then create cuts according to the logo, and once you have created the desired cut, then just press enter, or you can press spacebar on the keyboard, and then you can press 3 on the keyboard, or say just select the unwanted faces and delete them, and then just extrude the logo at some desired height, and in this manner you can easily create any kind of logo. So friends, now I have told you that how to create a logo in Blender, and once you have created the logo, then just adjust it according to the design. So I have created the Mac monitor in the first part of the video, and now I have created the logo. This is not the end friends. Now let's create a realistic pencil and Mac cabinet. So for creating a pencil, I have just used a simple cylinder and decrease the vertices to 6 so that it look realistic as per real model design. So now just extrude according to the design and add material to the pencil. You can see my step that how I have created the material for the pencil. Now I will create the heart, which is the Mac desktop or say cabinet. To create a cabinet, it is also the simplest method. Just add a cube and then edit the cube as per the design. You can follow my steps and then you can apply materials to the cabinet. Now let's create the sphere for the cabinet. It is also the simplest method. Just add a simple sphere in viewport and then align to the cabinet. And to create multiple spheres, you can use array modifier, which are available in modifier tab in Blender. In this manner you can create the sphere also. Now let's create the handle of the cabinet, which is also simple method, but in this I have used mirror modifier so that I can concentrate on one part and other half can be mirrored. You can watch that how I have done mirroring. To create the legs, I have used basic cylinder and then apply smooth shade option. So friends, thanks for watching the video till end. I hope you have got the concept of rendering realistic Mac desktop. So in the next part, which will be the third part, where I have explained you how to create realistic looking books, cables, clock, phone, charging points and socket. So watch next part. So see you in the next part. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye friends. See you in the next video. Istana Vista.